Why luxury brands destroy unsold products. Luxury brands destroying unsold products sounds shocking, but it has happened in several industries, especially fashion, cosmetics, and luxury accessories. The practice is driven by a combination of business strategy, brand protection, and legal concerns. 1. Protecting brand exclusivity. Luxury brands sell more than products, they sell exclusivity. If unsold items are heavily discounted or widely distributed, customers may perceive the brand as less prestigious. Example: a £2,000 handbag sold for £200 at an outlet could reduce the perceived value of future collections. 2. Preventing counterfeit markets. Unsold products sold through unofficial channels can be mixed with counterfeit goods, resold without warranties, used to create fake, authentic products. Destroying inventory prevents these risks. 3. Avoiding heavy discounting. Luxury brands generally avoid frequent sales because customers may wait for discounts. Retailers could demand lower wholesale prices. The brand image may shift from exclusive to discount. 4. Maintaining scarcity. Scarcity increases demand. If every product remained available indefinitely, collectability would decrease. Limited editions would lose value. Customers would feel less urgency to buy. 5. Tax and accounting reasons. In some jurisdictions, companies may receive tax benefits or accounting advantages for writing off destroyed inventory, depending on local laws and circumstances. This is usually one factor among many rather than the primary reason. 6. Storage costs. Keeping unsold inventory costs money. Warehousing, insurance, security, inventory management. Sometimes destruction is considered cheaper than long-term storage. 7. Protecting intellectual property. Luxury products often contain proprietary designs, logos, materials, packaging. Destroying them reduces the risk of misuse or unauthorized resale. Famous examples. Burberry faced widespread criticism after it disclosed destroying unsold products worth tens of millions of pounds. Following public backlash, the company announced it would stop the practice. Richmond has bought back unsold luxury watches from retailers in some cases to prevent excessive discounting. Some luxury cosmetics and fragrance companies have also destroyed excess stock rather than sell it at deep discounts. Why the practice is declining? Today, many luxury brands are moving away from destruction because of sustainability commitments, consumer pressure, environmental regulations, ESG, environmental, social and governance expectations. Many now recycle materials, repair and refurbish products, donate suitable environmental impact. Destroying usable products can waste raw materials, increase carbon emissions, create landfill waste, damage a company's public image. This has led governments and consumers to push for more sustainable inventory management. Luxury brands historically destroyed unsold products to preserve exclusivity, protect pricing power, prevent grey market sales and counterfeiting, and reduce storage costs. However, growing environmental awareness, public scrutiny, and new regulations are encouraging many companies to replace destruction with recycling, resale, repair, or donation strategies.